This is question number 7. Okay, so guys, I'm going to explain in this, I know, print the Fibonacci series up to n terms. Okay, how will we will print, right, Fibonacci series up to n terms. So I'm going to explain in a step by step how actually, the explanation part, how actually this code is working, right? So uh, I'm going to explain it one by one, step by one step. Please don't miss any step, because if anything you miss, again you have to start from the zero. So be focused on that at the time when you learning anything. So I'm going to explain. First step is we have to define the value of n. Okay, so value of n I defined is variable n is equal to 10, right? So in this step, first step, we define the value of n to determine how many terms of the Fibonacci series we want to print. Okay, for example, n is a set to 10, so we will print the first 10 terms of the series. Okay, so the second step is initialize variable for the first two Fibonacci series. Okay, for example, variable first is equal to 0, variable second is equal to 1. So what we're doing here, we start with the first two Fibonacci series, which are 0 and 1. This value are stored in the variable first and second. Okay, now the come to the third step, and it is a step 3. It is a initialize a variable and to store the current term. Okay, so what we doing in the step 3 is we create a variable current to hold the value of the current Fibonacci term as we calculate it, right? So now the step 4, what actually happening in there. So we print the value of first and second as they are in the first two term in the series. Now come to the step 5, what actually happening there. We use a for loop to calculate and print the remaining Fibonacci series. The loop start from I is equal to 2 because the first two terms have already been printed. Inside the loop, we calculate the current Fibonacci number by adding the first and second number. This reflects the Fibonacci sequence where each term is a sum of the previous two terms. We print the current number and then we update the first and the second variables to prepare for the next iteration. First, take the value of second, and second, take the value of current. The loop continues until we print n terms of the Fibonacci series. So as specified by the value of n. So this is the explanation part, guys. So again, if you're not able to understand, again repeat that video, 100% you will understand. And the explanation part is over. Let's meet in the question number 8.